In a slow morning, the train carries us away, leaving the city's noise toward nature's quiet whisper that gently calls the heart. We step off, not just into a new place, but into a forgotten feeling. Time rushes by, but we choose to slow down to feel each passing moment. In the crowd of a Sunday market, we found stillness, mountains, terraces, and sky, watching over our little journey to something that truly matters. We arrived not at a fancy place, but at a place that understands simplicity, a table waiting for us, between leaves, wood, and the warmth of home. We sat in silence. The river flowed, the children played, and the sky moved slowly above. We didn't need to speak. Nature said enough. In its quiet, honest way. The food came, but the deepest flavor wasn't on the plate. It was in the moment. We ate slowly, as if the world paused just for us. Here, mornings don't hurry. The fields never scream. And we learn that joy can be as simple as being present. Are we still waiting for the perfect time to live the life already waiting for us?